In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change Instagram username. Very simple. All you have to do, guys, is open your Instagram account and then click your profile picture at the very bottom right. And after that, you can see here edit profile. So a lot of people didn't see edit profile because it didn't say like change username or anything. They thought like it's used for something else to change like a picture. Or but if you click on edit profile, you will see here username, and all you have to do, guys, is just change your just remove this old username and then put any username you want. Make sure it's not used by someone else. Make sure it's your original username and then click done. Just remember that if you put here a famous name or anything like that, Instagram is not going to allow you to change the username because the username is already used by someone else. So make sure to change your username, like I said, and then in the top right you can click there done. And that's all you need to do, guys. You have to wait. I don't know why it takes long. Yeah, as you can see here, we have changed our username, and that's exactly how you can change your username on TikTok, on Instagram, sorry. So hopefully, guys, this video helped you. If it does, let me know in the comments. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like.